Hello friends, good afternoon to everyone. So what I have to actually do is I have to deliver a package. It's gonna go to Dehradun. I was going to do it through DTDC. Why not I deliver it myself? So it's a really important package and my brother-in-law really needs it urgently. So I'll have to fly. Let's see how it goes. So this is the courier guy. So I'll have to first check whether a flight is available or not, what time flight is available, and after that, would I be able to board that flight on time? Would I be able to get ready on time to catch the flight? So I'll have to see, I'll have to book the cab as well. Let's see if I'm able to get a cab or not. So all those things I'll have to do. I'll have to start with my packing. Let's see how it goes. So let's get on with the first task, that is booking the flights. Okay guys, so I'm checking for the flights that are available to Dehradun, and I can see there are a couple of flights over here. However, there is a layover in between. So let me just book a flight that has the least a layover. 8 p.m. flight, 20:05, that is 8:05 p.m. And yeah, so the journey would be around 11 hours 5 minutes. There's around 13:30. There's around 14 hours 25 minutes. Let's book this flight up then. And since the flight booking is now complete, I will have to pack my stuffs. And now I'm realizing packing is really tough. And I just want to know, where do I start from? Alright guys, so finally the luggage is ready. Alright, so we are all set to go. I booked an Ola and he's right on the way, so I'm gonna wait for him and then we're gonna take off. Guys, I have now reached the airport and it looks almost empty. There are very few people over here. Hello friends, so now I'm at the Delhi airport and waiting for my Dehradun flight, which is in the morning. So it's gonna be a long wait because I have to wait around 5 hours more. It's around 1 a.m. in the morning. Next day is already started. So yeah, I'll have to wait in this terminal. This terminal 3 is quite huge. It's actually huge. It's like a complete city. I've just been roaming inside and I've actually got tired of looking at these stores. This airport is really huge. Now if you're able to see the other end, it's like 1 kilometer far. And my gate is 34B, for which I'll have to travel more around. It's around 250 meters approx. It's quite a walk today that is happening at this airport. So I think this airport is really great, and I just want to have a walk over here. I want to cover the entire Terminal 3, which is quite huge. You'll have to take a big walk on this, so let's do it. This terminal is so huge that I had to shoot an entire part for exclusively this terminal, and hope you guys like it. please watch it completely.